Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro. The Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro is an advanced 3D printer designed to offer a wide range of features and capabilities, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users in the 3D printing community. This overview will highlight some of the key features and functionalities that set the Ender-3 S1 Pro apart from other 3D printers in the market. One of the standout features of the Ender-3 S1 Pro is its brand new brass nozzle, which is capable of withstanding temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. This high temperature capability allows users to work with a variety of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PVA, wood, TPU, PET, and PAR. With such versatility, creators can explore different materials and expand their creative possibilities. The printer boasts a spring steel pay magnetic build plate, which offers several advantages. First, it ensures good adhesion of the printed model, reducing the chances of print warping or detachment. Additionally, the build plate heats up rapidly, allowing for quicker printing start times. Furthermore, the spring steel build plate is not only durable but also flexible, making it easy to remove printed models effortless by gently bending it once the print job is complete. Number 2. Artillery Sidewinder X2. The Artillery Sidewinder X2 is a 3D printer that boasts several advanced features, making it an efficient and high-precision printing solution. One notable feature is its direct drive extruder, which utilizes the Titan extruder to overcome filament clogging and ensure even extrusion, resulting in more accurate prints. Additionally, this extruder design allows for a maximum printing speed of 150 mm/s, enabling high-efficiency printing. The printer also incorporates a dual Z-axis synchronization system, featuring a double screw drive, which ensures that the X-axis moves parallel to the lattice glass build platform. This design improvement enhances the overall printing quality, leading to better and more consistent output. Another impressive feature of the Artillery Sidewinder X2 is its automatic leveling capability. This intelligent auto bed leveling design automatically adjusts the hotbed before each print, simplifying the printing process and ensuring proper bed leveling, which is crucial for successful 3D prints. Furthermore, the hotbed can be heated up to 110 degrees Celsius in just 2 minutes, providing a quick start to printing. Number 3. Official FLSUN S1 Super Racer. The official FLSUN S1 Super Racer is a cutting-edge 3D printer designed to provide exceptional high-speed printing capabilities while maintaining precise molding quality. With its innovative 3-axis linkage technology and the support of 348W high-power stepper motors, this 3D printer can achieve a normal printing speed of up to 200 mm/s and an impressive acceleration of 2800+ mm/s squared. Compared to the industry standard, the Super Racer is 200% faster, allowing users to save more than half of their printing time. One of the notable features of the FLSUN S1 Super Racer is its large printing size, which measures 260 x 330 mm. This spacious printing volume enables users to create larger and more complex 3D models without the need for multiple prints or assembly. To ensure high printing accuracy and stability, the Super Racer incorporates a high-precision linear rail guide. This advanced guide system not only enhances the printing quality but also minimizes noise during the printing process. Number 4. FlashForge 3D Printer. The FlashForge 3D Printer Finder 3 is the latest iteration in the Finder series, building upon the success and design elements of the Finder 2.0. It retains the classic red and black color scheme, giving it a sleek and recognizable appearance. One of the key highlights of this printer is its integrated structure design, which means there is no assembly required, making it easy to use immediately after unpacking. Additionally, the printer's smaller equipment size is cleverly designed to maximize the printing volume, ensuring higher volume utilization for more efficient 3D printing projects. The Finder 3 comes equipped with dual platform options to cater to individual needs. The glass platform provides a strong adhesion surface for the printing model, reducing the chances of warping during the printing process. On the other hand, the PE magnetic steel plate platform with a gold PE plate and anti-warping edge offers excellent durability and is held securely in place with a strong magnetic force. Users can easily switch between these platforms based on their printing requirements, allowing for versatile printing capabilities. Number 5. Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K LCD Resin. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K LCD Resin 3D printer is a cutting-edge device that boasts the highest resolution currently available on the market. With an impressive 22 1152 ppi, ultra-high resolution, it outperforms all other consumer electronics in its category, making it ideal for printing extremely intricate miniatures, bust sculpts, and other detailed objects. One of the standout features of the Sonic Mini 8K is its linear projection LED module, which enhances light uniformity, resulting in superb and sharp models. This feature is especially advantageous for bringing out hidden details that would otherwise be lost on a low-resolution printer, ensuring that every fine detail is faithfully captured in the final printed model. The printer's ultra-stable dual linear rails further contribute to its high-quality performance. By reducing the occurrence of the Z-axis nodding phenomenon during the printing process, the Sonic Mini 8K offers extreme stability, enabling users to create flawless, high-quality models consistently. Number 6. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 is an advanced 3D printer designed for resin-based printing. It comes with several notable features that make it a suitable choice for various applications. One of its key features is the 6.6-inch monochrome LCD screen with a high resolution of 4096*2560. This impressive display capability allows the printer to showcase intricate and tiny details of models, making it ideal for producing miniature models with exceptional precision. If you are transitioning from FDM printers to LCD printers, the Photon Mono 2 is a compelling option due to its ability to meet the demands of highly detailed prints. ANYCUBIC has enhanced the light source technology in the Photon Mono 2 by incorporating the Light Turbo Matrix. This upgraded matrix light source offers a more stable and uniform parallel light emission, effectively reducing visible layer lines and grid lines on the printed models. As a result, the printer can produce models with more vivid details and a smoother surface finish, enhancing the overall quality of the final prints. In terms of build volume, the Photon Mono 2 provides a larger printing area compared to its predecessors, such as the Photon Mono 4K, within the same machine size. With a build volume of 165x143x89mm, this 3D printer caters to the needs of users who require more space for printing larger models without sacrificing placement convenience. Number 7. ELEGOO Saturn 2 8K MSLA 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Saturn 2 8K MSLA 3D printer is an advanced resin-based 3D printer that offers impressive capabilities for producing highly detailed 3D models. Its standout feature is the utilization of a 10-inch 8K monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 7600x4320, enabling it to output exceptionally detailed prints with an ultrafine XY resolution of 28.5 microns. Additionally, the printer boasts a swift cure time of only 1 to 3 seconds per layer, contributing to faster print times. To enhance its durability and performance, the ELEGOO Saturn 2 incorporates a scratch-resistant tempered glass above the LCD screen, boasting a hardness of 9H. This glass not only protects the LCD but also allows for better light transmission during the printing process. The printer also impresses with its expanded printing volume, offering a build size of 219x123x250mm, 8.62x for 84x 9.84 inches, and benefiting from the 10-inch large mono LCD screen. This larger printing volume allows users to create more substantial models or batch print multiple smaller ones in a single run, thus increasing overall productivity.